This is the Blues Harp Biker channel. You are in the right place. Howdy friends, welcome back to the Blues Harp Biker channel here. Alright, today I'm at Herwaldt Motorsports. They got a little swap meet going on here, and I'm going to go over here and check it out and see what they got. Probably won't be too much stuff that I need here because they're mainly BMW and Ducati and Indian. But you never know, there might be somebody with some junk parts out here that want to, you know, sell some Harley parts or something. You know, you just never know. You can't leave any stone unturned when you're looking for stuff. So anyways, it's a nice morning here today too. So it'll be just worth getting out and walking a little bit and enjoying the nice spring-like day here in sunny Central California. So let's go ahead and move along and see what things are in store for us. All right, what do we got over here? Oh, we got a couple of Triumphs here. Oh, now that is pretty cool. Wow, 3,500. I wonder if it runs. Wow, look at that thing. Man, that's a cool chopper right there. I'd almost like to have that. 3,500 for this guy. Oh, that's a pre-unit. Wow. That's pretty. That's an old barn find there, boys. Tell you what. Look at that. That is cool. That is pretty dang cool right there. That is pretty dang cool. Wow, that's a pretty good deal on it. There's a couple bikes for sale here, and they're all good deals on these things. That's a good deal on this too. That's a 70, yeah, 1970. So that's a unit. That's a pre-unit over there. That's quite a bike right there. Cool. That's pretty dang cool. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. You guys got that thing duded up real nice. Beautiful. Beautiful color. Nice detail and everything. It's beautiful. Fantastic. These are great riding bikes too. Beautiful. This one. Yeah, it is.
I'll trade you one of these. So sure.
Maybe. That's a cap?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, cap, I used to work for them.
Oh.
That's where I went all the time, but no,
Oh.
Weber and Marks.
Oh.
So if you go down on Marks right before you go into Weber, $650. For
How much?
Z1, $650.
That's a nice Heritage Softail there for $5,500.
And that ATV doesn't
Look at that. Everybody looking for a Heritage Softail, there you go. I'm just saying for my video. $5,500 for this Heritage Softail is a pretty good deal. How many miles it got?
I just hit 80 today.
Yeah,
Just hit 80.
Yeah.
But it's always gets its maintenance done on it.
Yeah, yeah. Well, these are great motors too. These 96. That's a 96, right? 96 cubic inch. Yep, yep.
6 feet.
Yep. Yeah, I've got a 07 Deluxe, Softail Deluxe, and I've got an 07 Night Train too.
Yeah.
So.
I got 3 bikes. I had to get rid of.
Yeah. Well, this one's $5,500. So call and ask for. What's your name?
John.
John. That's my name too. I'm John also. All right. There's the phone number right there. Yeah, that's a good deal, man. That's a great looking bike. It's a great deal. $5,500. You can't hardly go wrong. All right. Thank you, man. Get me that leather outfit right there. Ride for the slide. Dress for the slide, not the glide. Wait a minute. Dress for the slide, not the ride. But you can dress for the ride with that too, because you're looking cool. In a leather jumpsuit. Riding a chopper, that'd be cool. Alright. $1 or best date or best offer. $1. Because you can't get anything for $1 anymore. Get one of these for $1. Look at that.
Some of these. All right.
Well, that's a sod halogen light. How about this? Gator skin. It's cool, man.
A little bit, yeah.
I'll make sure I make some money.
Because they got somebody else who wants to ask me about it.
There.
$5.
Thank you.
You bet, buddy.
God bless you.
You
I
bet.
want to buy my trade me a boat. Nice
All right.
boat.
How are you?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Right, I bought this air cleaner cover for $5. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it says electric light on it, but $5, yeah. Cool. All right. Well, we did something anyways.
2 hours later.
All right, so we're at Mathews Harley Davidson, and it is the second to none motorcycle club having an anniversary party here, and Mathews has let them use the parking lot here to have them have the party. They had a raffle, they had a bunch of stuff going on. I'm here a little late. I didn't know about it, so I don't know why I didn't know about it, but I didn't. But I'm a little bit late, but there was a lot of stuff going on, and looks like a pretty cool event. There's some great bikes here. It's a small little get-together, Saturday get-together, but full of wonderful motorcycles, and it's always a good time. So let's look around a little more. All right, let's do it. glide right there, friends. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh, look at this guy over here.
Yeah, ball.
Wow.
Oh, you know what?
He's like a king thing. Who's gonna do all that?
Yeah, it is. It's all look nice. Looks nice too. Do you think he's a 49ers fan? Yeah, this thing is gold. Beautiful. A little fat boy there. All right, friends, that's going to wrap things up here today. Hope you guys had a good time going along with me today at these cool events. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for me, all right, and that thumbs up, and also that little bell. Okay, those things are going to be really cool. They're going to let you know when I upload new content every Tuesday, every Saturday, right here on YouTube. And thumbs up just lets me know that you like what's going on, and hitting that subscribe button just means you're cool. So, all right, well, thanks a lot, and go back and check out some of my other videos, and let's hear some comments, all right? Let me know what you think, and you know how you're doing. So, all right, well, everybody be safe, have a good one, and be cool. Good to see you again. Thank you very much for joining me, and we hope to see you next time right here on the Blues Harp Biker channel.